What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So firstly, I want to start off with saying thank you so much for the support recently. So like, look at that, 1.15k subscribers. The channel's been blown up, guys. We're doing absolutely amazing, and I want to thank every single one of you who are watching. If you aren't subscribed, the subscribe button, but it's okay if you're not subscribing, you're watching, and I love it. And if you can see 7k views on my last video, thank you so much, guys. You guys are absolutely going crazy. But today we're talking about a project I have mentioned before called EverEarn. Brilliant project, awesome team. I've made videos about them on other projects in the past, and this is a project half of their team moved on to this one, to developing their own project and whatnot. But EverEarn, what's going on with it? So this is more like an update video to the last one, and maybe to bring some new viewers into this. But EverEarn is a passive income token. You are rewarded with BUSD reflections. I believe it's 11% last time. Have they updated it since? No, so it's still 11% BUSD reflections just for holding, which is absolutely beautiful in my opinion. We also have an updated roadmap, which is beautiful. They've added a bunch of new stuff to February and March. A bunch of this has probably been already done, but hasn't been updated, like ticked off just yet. And they also have some dates for you guys as well. So be very excited for that. So let's just go for the roadmap and talk about what's going on. So let's have a little look, shall we? So what have they got going on? They've also got staking coming. So it's a reflection token already. So you get 11% just for holding. And they're also now adding staking. Like, what? So you're going to be able to get reflections and also staking. I don't know if you can get both at the same time. If you can, that is absolutely amazing. I think that is a really great idea. You know, if you're going to be able to lock your tokens for a certain amount of time as well, I think that's going to be amazing as well, because that means you've got, you know, liquidity pool. You've got people who are holding for longer and they can't actually sell and whatnot. I think that's brilliant if they lock the tokens for a certain amount of time to get rewarded within the staking. So staking is coming around about 3.5 weeks from now, so probably early March, end of Feb. But it's between now and 3.5 weeks. I would probably say around March time, but they have been in testing this month, which is fabulous. They also have, if you remember in the last video, which you can check up here, they are also one of the first projects trying to really push B&B, like NFTs. They've got their own NFT platform coming out. Like you'll be able to purchase, I believe, some of their NFTs coming up. They've got like a NFT minting drop around, it's on the 22nd. I just had to quickly check to get the correct date for you guys. But on the 22nd, they have got an NFT minting drop, which is very cool. If you remember in the last video as well, guys, they had a EverTracker coming out. That is very close to completion. That drops on the 25th of this month, so that is really cool. So what you need to do is hold EverEarn, which will be able to give you free access to both the wallet and the tracker. I think the wallet isn't coming out just yet. I think it's just the tracker. But with the tracker, what you'll be able to do is track all of your Binance Smart Chain coins. I think that's really cool. I'm always trying to, you know, have a place where I can see my entire portfolio. And with this, I think will be great. Especially if you hold the token, so that's very neat. And this is not really like massive news, but they also have their own merch shop now, which is really neat. You can see you can buy yourself a hoodie, a bag, a mug, a hat. Why not? If you're bullish on the project, if you want to support the team, if you want to support the project, you might as well. And it's good branding. It's literally free branding for the project. You know, if the products are really good, which, you know, the bag looks pretty decent in my opinion, why not grab yourself a bag if you really want one, and if you like the team and you like the project, why not? You also have like a bunch of Yahoo articles coming out recently, which is really cool. So let's have a little read through this and have a look what the Yahoos have said. So EverEarn progress. Despite having launched just over 2 weeks ago, the team continues to host daily hour-long AMAs with the growing investor community. That is very true. They host basically AMAs every day. They have giveaways going on every day. They could, you know, to talk within the community. They ask questions. You know, people ask questions, and the team are literally there answering everything you want to know. So it is brilliant that they're doing that every day. Often exceeding 80 to 100 participants on a daily basis, which is a very active community in my opinion. If you're having 100 people listening to your little AMA every day, I think that's brilliant. Although pushing an aggressive development schedule, the team continues to make time to provide updates, answer questions, and engage with the investor community. Very, very true. They do that. I've seen it myself. This, though, isn't what's raising eyebrows in the cryptoverse. The team's aggressive development schedule and plans are owing to the fact they are running their project like a business. Very good. You'd like to see that because it means if you want to make a business, it means the value of the business needs to grow, and that's what you want to do. There we are. So of course the coin will follow through with that as well. This means most of the project's development of utilities involves outsourcing the work to other well-established crypto teams and or collaborating with other crypto projects already in progress. Much like a real-world business, the team are early adopters within the crypto sphere of getting out of siloed service development in order to meet customer needs faster and better. So yeah, the team has been in crypto for a while. I think Dave's been around since 2013-14. I might be wrong there, but that is still very, like, that's still a long time, nearly 10 years now. If that is the case, I believe it is around then though. EverEarn app's releasing soon, so this is what I've just spoke about a little bit here. Often referred to in other crypto projects as feature releases, and all too often involving months of time. The EverEarn team has already confirmed release dates for their basic NFT minting, portfolio wallet tracker, and staking, all releasing within the next 3 weeks, which I've already discussed. Sticking to their aggressive development timetable, EverEarn is quickly building a strong and loyal community to support base with over 20,000 members, followers, and subscribers across their various socials. The team has already released their updated roadmap, which we still continue to go through, which now has features, details about completing their full service ecosystem, a trusted listen site, and start of development on partnered crypto launchpads. Sweet! So now that we're back on the roadmap, guys, you can see the wallet tracking, marketing, and release deadline was 4 to 6 weeks from launch. That is roughly around now. It's very, very close to being done. Liquidity pooling, marketing, and release deadline, same again, very, very close to being done. NFT marketing, minting, and release deadline, again, very close. Like, there's so many things coming off this project that is very close. And they're wanting to work on more like Europe marketing, more Asian marketing, which I think is a great push because they are big communities in crypto, especially the Asian markets. Europe as well. I mean, everywhere basically in the world right now is quite big and bullish on crypto. Getting mainstream, it's growing very fast, so it's really good focusing on more sectors rather than just like the US. They've also got a dashboard app upgrade. So if you've seen the dashboard, what it looks like is, I get a picture on the screen for you. Basically shows you like how much money you're getting, how much daily reflections you're getting, and so on, and how much you might be able to earn in the next couple of days, and so on. They're going to add like daily checklists, latest news, and rewards updates as well, which is very nice. You plan on having a YouTube channel that does daily posting, daily content, which is really good. We already showed you the merchandise store, which is really cool. They're also going to have some new audits from different companies, which is really good. You've got tech rate and audit rate, which is really good. Very nice to see. And if we move down to March, guys, they've got staking coming out. Very bullish on that. They've got the NFT minting, marketing, and release. Very, very good to see. The wallet tracker, marketing, and release. They're just they're literally continuing to market all their products throughout every month. I think that's a good idea. Keep pushing out the word of your project in every sector, even if it's the lowest part of your project. Push it, get the word out. You know, maybe put some certain things higher than others, but it's always good to get everything that you have to push out, because the more things you have, the more things people want to come join your project for and to use it and whatnot. So they have a lot of things here that are kind of similar to February in terms of marketing and pushing, but they also have here more updates for their dashboard, like daily, weekly trade volumes, daily, weekly payout volumes, an addition of major wallet apps, which I think is really nice to see. It seems like they've got farming coming out as well, so think of it like pancake swap farming. I assume that's what it's going to be like, which I think is another good positive thing, another way to make more money, just like staking, like reflections from this token. Very nice to see. And it also looks like in March they're going to be releasing their NFT marketplace, which is great. I think that's going to be a massive push. I think that's going to make the price of this coin skyrocket, to be honest, because NFTs are very bullish right now. They're literally everywhere. Celebrities are wanting NFTs. If they can make a really nice NFT marketplace and maybe get some big projects on there, some big names on there. If the NFT project launches successfully, they get good names and whatnot, the price of the coin is also going to go up. So keep that in mind, guys. They also have, I didn't even know this, they also have an IDO/launchpad coming soon. So if you don't know what an IDO and a launchpad is, it means you'll be able to invest into projects earlier on before they're even released. Maybe get a percentage of tokens via like the IDO and whatnot if you invest in there, which is really nice as well. Release a partnership for GameFi development. So it looks like they're even doing games as well. Diamond Handholders NFT series release. Continue development with up and coming influencers. So they're just pushing everything. They're doing everything. They're doing a bit of IDO, a bit of staking, a bit of farming, getting influencers involved. No words. I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. And I won't keep rambling on the roadmap because we've showed off what's coming up very, very soon. But go to the website, check out what's going on. April, again, is looking bullish. They've got some extra things, even got like a SafeMoon swap application process, which is bullish because SafeMoon is one of the biggest Binance Smart Chain projects that released this last year. So yeah, go to the website, check the rest of the roadmap, add it to your list, have a little read, do your own research and all that stuff. So let's go take a little look at the chart. Okay guys, so when we last looked at EverEarn, the price was around here. And if you bought in around the time I made the video, you would have made nearly a 200% gain, which is absolutely insane. The buys are coming in crazy. It looks like this could maybe reach even 20 million market cap with the way things are going in the news, the constant activity in the Discord. They've got an open voice call right now where you can just join and talk to people and talk with the team. If they're doing things like this, I see the price continuing for a little bit while. Obviously, there's going to be a dip. There's going to be, the price will need to correct just because you can't have a constant green candle. If it does correct, I reckon 20 million market cap, if not more, then it'll probably come back down and test here. If it holds this line, it'll continue to rise and maybe break all-time high again. If it breaks this area, his support here, it's going to go back down and probably test around here again. But it's looking very good. Ignore my squiggly lines. It looks very messy, I know. But yeah, EverEarn, guys, it's looking good. I know the team. I've spoken to the team for months and months on all the projects. They're very cool guys. I love them so much. I really do. Full disclosure, guys, this is a paid promotion, but I'm actually not invested in the token. I wish I could have invested in the token at the time. I've missed out. Like, even when I made my video, I could have invested then, but I've missed out, and that's a lesson learned. Like, I knew this project was bullish. I knew what they were doing. I was very excited for it anyway. But yeah, that's it, guys, for today. That's EverEarn. Please check it out. It's very bullish. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. I do all kinds of videos, NFT videos, crypto videos, how to do videos. I actually haven't done any of them yet, but I really want to. So yeah, guys, I want to stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.